Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Summer is quickly approaching and today we are making fresh spring rolls with yakiniku. Yakiniku means Japanese barbecue and we are making yakiniku sauce from scratch to go with fresh spring rolls. If you want to make it gluten-free, you can use Kikkoman's gluten-free soy sauce. And if you want to make it vegetarian, you can swap the meat with grilled vegetables. It's so easy to put together and it's delicious on hot summer days. Now let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. You can also print out the recipe and read more about substitute information and cooking tips over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!